Hello children. So far in the previous class you have learnt about simple machines. What are simple machines? Types of simple machines. In that you have learnt about lever and its types. I hope you understood. Next let us see second type of simple machine, that is inclined plane. Before understanding what is inclined plane, let us see some images related to it. Yes children, hope you watched the images. So there you can see images of ramp, then wooden plank attached to the truck, and a man carrying loads upon the wooden plank, escalators, slides in the playground, isn't it? So there in all those images you can see that, so those images have like this sloping surfaces, isn't it? All those images have like this sloping surfaces, so that they connect lower and higher surface, isn't it? They connect lower and higher surface, and it will be easy to carry heavy luggages from lower to higher surface or from higher to lower surface. So you might have seen in the hospital, ramps in the hospital. So there it will be easy to carry the wheelchair up on the ramp rather than on the steps, isn't it? So it will be easy to carry wheelchair on these ramp. So these are all examples of inclined plane. So what is inclined plane? It is a sloping surface. So it is a sloping surface, and it has a even surface raised at one end. So it will be easy to carry heavy goods or luggages from lower end to higher end, or from higher end to lower end. So while placing goods in a truck, so they will use wooden planks, so slope wooden planks, so that for them it will be easy to carry luggages to the truck. They can easily place the luggages in the truck. In the same way, in hospitals there are ramps, so that we can easily carry wheelchairs along the slopes. Even in hill stations or roads in hills, they are also made up of steep slopes. Gradual slopes will be there. So like these gradual slopes will be there instead of steep slope, so that it will be easy to move on the gradual slope than the steep slope. If the slope is like this, we cannot climb, isn't it? But if it is gradually like this, so that we can easily climb the slopes, isn't it? So they are all the examples of inclined planes. So they have sloping surface or even surface. It is raised at one end. We can easily carry the heavy goods along the slopes easily. Okay, so these are called inclined planes. So next let us see third type of simple machine, that is wedge. So it is a wedge it has a flat surface. So when two inclined planes are joined together, we get a wedge. So it has a pointed end. Okay, it has a pointed end, and it is used for cutting or splitting the objects into pieces. So for example, you have seen farmers will use axe for splitting the wooden logs into pieces, isn't it? So axe is an example for wedge. And also in kitchen we use fork, knife, isn't it? So they are all the examples of wedge. So we use knife for cutting vegetables into pieces, then we use fork for splitting the food items into pieces, isn't it? So these are all the examples. Okay, nail. So nail, then knife, then fork, and also axe. So these are the examples of wedges. They are used to cut or split the object into pieces. Okay, split the object into pieces. Next we have fourth type of simple machine, that is screw. So you have seen screw. We use these screws for many objects, like we use in switchboard, in electric bulbs, isn't it? Even this and many more places. So they are used for making the objects hold firmly, or to hold the objects firmly or tightly, isn't it? So these screws are the inclined plates wrapped around the cylinder. For example, in a nut, so here is a nut. For this nut, if you wrap an inclined plane, so you will get these like ridges you will get. So that is a screw. So it is used for holding the objects firmly. So these are all the examples of screw. So this screw, nut and bolt, okay. So these are the examples of screw. They are used for holding the objects firmly. We use an electric switches, electric bulbs and many more places for attaching to machines or like that, okay. So many more places we use them for holding or fixing the object firmly. So these are the types of simple machines. In the next class, let us study about another two types, that is about pulley and wheel and axle. Thank you.